You are going to love 2004 Durango. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, fog lights, roof rack, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, universal garage door opener, overhead console, center console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.